Hi everyone. Today I will show you how we can run a batch plot in AutoCAD. So I have these drawings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and we will run as a batch plot in AutoCAD. I already set the paper setting everything. So we will set the paper here. How you can set paper and everything here. For that you have to click on layout, and after layout we have to apply a template. You type your MV setup and you can see that we have a title block as well. Type T, and now we have to insert, type I, and here you will find the sizes of the templates. We have A4, A3, A2, and I want A3 and I will type here 2, then enter. So this is the template here. So I will delete this one, not required. And now we will type here viewports, and here I will select single viewport. You can select your other viewport as per your own requirement. So I will select the single one. Okay. And now you have to specify the first corner. This is my first corner. I want to show up to here. So this is the drawing here. So we will click this one white. And now we have to type here, you plot here, and I want to print in the PDF. Here you can choose your printer. If you want to print in your printer, you have to specify your printer here. So my previous setting already said I will previous plot here. This is my A3 paper size. Here I will select window and I will select this point to this point. You have to click on send to plot, and here if you want to print on color you have to click on AutoCAD, but I want to print on black, so I will select CTV monochrome and I will click here, apply to layout and click preview. Now you can see that everything is set here. I will just exit. So for batch plot, I will save this drawing into my folder. I will click save as a drawing, and I have this folder. So I have 5, I will make it 6. Same way you have to set your drawing in one folder for easy drag and drop, save. And for batch plot, I will now close these files or click here, click on print and click on batch plot. After the batch plot, we have to delete all, remove all here, right click, add sheets. So this is my folder. I will select all 6, select here, and now you have to type publish. It's asking, do you want to save the list of sheet? If yes, okay, otherwise no, but I want yes, and I will give the same location. For reference, I will give the bash one of the name of this file and close. You can see that the batch plot is plotting on the background. You will not see here. Now I will open the folder You can see that it's already print all the drawings. Now we will see this one. So these are the drawings. So these are the drawings. So now you can do one thing, you can combine all the files into one PDF and give in one shot. If you already give the command to your printer, so you can collect all these files from your printer. So in this way, we can run a batch plot in AutoCAD.